Are you looking to delete your battery usage history on your iPhone? The battery usage history on your iPhone is used to track how much battery power specific apps and services consume over a period. So in this video, I'll show you how you can delete battery usage history on iPhone. So let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the apps that you want to remove the battery usage history on iPhone. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall the apps. Go back to home screen. Tap and hold the apps. Tap Delete. If this is WhatsApp, please make sure to back up and then delete. Now restart your iPhone. After that, open App Store. Find out the apps or games again. Reinstall the apps again. Method 2. Reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then select all settings. Enter your passcode. Then confirm. If you still have the usage history is not yet deleted, then you have to go with Erasing All Data, which will delete everything including your data. By following these steps, you can manage your iPhone's battery usage history and start fresh when necessary. Let me know if this helped or if you need further assistance.